Hello everyone, today I fry fish. But how to fry fish without splashing? You don't want to clean the kitchen? So come to the right place. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you. So I have a fish and I wash it with salt, and now I rinse it and I will pat it dry. The key without splashing is the dry fish. So oil in, hot, and then cornstarch. And now you see my fish is very dry. You pat it dry, you can put in the fish for a day. Then you brown upsize, few minutes, 2-3 minutes inside. Crispy and ready to eat. And I fry broccoli too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.